So I've started a new series. There's going to be 4 in total. You've already seen video number 1. And I'm using same colors, or not the same actually, similar colors. The only thing I did was I removed the Payne's Gray, not the Payne's Gray, the Anthraquinone Blue from the recipes. So we're working with bright aqua green with a little bit of white in there. I think I'm gonna add a little more white to it actually. It's almost too much for me. And DecoArt's Extreme Sheen Gold, Metallic Sapphire by Delta Ceramico. And both the Metallic Sapphire and DecoArt are mixed the same equal parts Floetrol to paint. The Payne's Gray is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And my paints are fairly fluid. Not too fluid. Hopefully it'll be good to pour with, but we'll see. So we're just gonna layer the paints. I have my cheat sheet here from a previous pour, and we're gonna go from there. So we're gonna start with the white. There we go, Payne's Gray. The gold. Aqua. White. I feel like this might have needed to be a little bit thicker, my paints. Metallic blue. Payne's Gray. Gold. White. You guys pretty much know the colors now, so I'm just gonna continue without saying it out loud. I'm gonna add a couple more layers just to bring it up. And we'll do the blue. White and aqua. All right, so this is an 18-ounce cup, and it's got some beautiful layers going up the edge, and I can't tilt it to show you, so you can see it right here. And we're gonna start with a straight pour and then wean our ways in to a ring pour. Okay, I'm loving what I'm seeing already. But it could end up dark, we'll find out. You don't need the white anymore. Put it to the side. Put this over here. Here's the cup. And I'm gonna let it go right over that edge. This one is definitely not as white as the other one, but we'll see how it does. Not as white as I had wanted, but I'll make some adjustments. Either way, I love the way it came out. It looks like an abalone shell. Okay guys, not as white as I had hoped. How come I always end up liking corners? This is my favorite corner. But it's bright and I like it, so we'll see how it dries. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notifications so that you never miss a video. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.